Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have my first Halloween party series nail art tutorial video for you. As I mentioned to you in my previous video, I am currently bringing you my Halloween party series, and on Tuesdays I typically do nail art tutorials, so every Tuesday stay tuned for Halloween themed manicures. This one is also through our Facebook stamping group, and the theme was Halloween monsters. So thank you so much, Patty, for organizing this, and I decided to go with the evil queen from Snow White. She may not be necessarily a monster as far as Halloween goes, but I do consider the story of Snow White and her actions as quite monstrous, I would say. So I do hope you will like this video. If you do, then don't forget to thumbs it up for me. And of course, if you are new here or if you are coming from the other channels that are participating in this collab, then welcome. And I hope you will like what you see here and you will hit the subscribe button before you leave. I'm not gonna ramble much longer. If you don't want to miss out on my Halloween party series, then definitely make sure that you are following my channel, as I will be bringing you mainly Halloween related videos in the month of October for you. Alright, I will have the pictures at the end of the video for this collab, and also all the links to the channels of the ladies who are joining us. But if you have any comments or questions, leave them for me in the comment section. That will be it, so keep watching my tutorial. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.